Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a room tour. So yeah, I just got done cleaning my whole entire room just for this video, guys. So, and I also want to kind of have it clean. As well as you know, I do not have my glasses on this video because I just don't like to have my glasses on in the videos. Let's go ahead and start with the door. I'm going to tell you a fun fact about my door is every holiday is when I put like some decorations that I make myself, but I never put like store decorations. Like I get paper and I write Dear Santa, blah 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 blah, and were you here? And he just writes yes, be good ducky and all that. And I usually give him some milk and cookies and ask him if he likes them. So yeah, guys. That's what's about my door. So let's go ahead and get in the room. Hold on. My room does not need to use the door handle. What you have to do is you have to push. You don't have this door. You can use it, but you don't have to. You can just push the door and it automatically opens. That's why I like this room. You just go like this. La 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 la. So yeah, close it. On the right side of the hand side of the door, we have some light switches. This one is a fan one, and I'm gonna keep that one on, and the light switch. So yeah. And then on the other side, they don't have anything, but we do. So yeah, guys, on the left-hand side of my door, I have a clothes bin. I have some giveaway shoes and some drinking and stuff. I have all my real shoes I use and my giveaway returns book, and then all my some stuff back there. Then on the left-hand side, I have this cute little flamingo, a mermaid tail, and my bed. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pillows on my bed right now. And I have a mermaid tail blanket and a cover up. That's really cute. If you walk straight beside my bed, I have my new backpack, a folder, some headphones for my iPad, and it works right now. Right now in Houston, Texas, it is 1:45. So yeah, then I have this charger that I don't think was charging my iPad for a little bit because it was not in all the way. Now it's charging. So yeah, guys, and then I have a trash can. On the other side, I have on my dresser, I have my iPad. Then I have my, I have a mirror. Hi, guys. I have some clothes planned out, and I also have a bathing suit just in case we could go swimming in our blow-up pool. I'll probably try to make a video on that because I want to put my dog in the pool like so bad, guys. So yeah.
Oh yeah, we put him in the pool before.
And I want to put my new dog in the pool too. So
oh yeah, I want to see her reaction.
I want to see her reaction to the pool. So yeah, guys, we have some art.
Show them me too.
And my brother's over there sitting in my blanket basket. You realize the blanket, but I think, no, never mind. We have some art. So we have a oil pastel kitty and a drawing I made by myself. Then some itch cream. I need to give that to my mom. My glasses, guys. So yeah, that's what I'm not wearing today right now. I have money, and I have rings, and I have markers, and I don't have that many, and then I have a hair tie. I have this wallet and a new bottle of perfume, and my first one. So yeah.
I have a penny.
So I have a pretend dog right here. It's we like to give our dog that toy. So yeah, and then we have.
Chew on it. You can barely even see.
And then
eyes.
I write like a little note. I wrote a note today. I have some games. I have that. all my stuff. And my dresser, guys. My dresser. So I'm not going to show you inside, but I'm going to show you these pocket hand doors on the side. So we have some sheets in this door.
Yeah, good could sleep in that.
And yeah, kids could fit in here. Trust me, good hiding spot. And my drawing stuff and my playtime video stuff that I'm gonna start trying to make, guys. So if y'all like me to make some like playtime videos, well, I'm gonna try to do that now because like I thought that I would get more subscribers like that. So yeah, and I'm probably gonna do my same thing like a dance party again. Yeah, Savannah, trust me, Savannah, we're going back on to dance party video again because I know you like that and all your dentist co-workers like that too. So yeah. Okay, why am I doing that? Let's just move on. Okay, so and then I have a mirror right here. I pretend I make YouTube videos. Hi guys. And then I have my brother. Oh, my Sun View drawing. I don't think none of my sisters saw this before, but her name is Brianna, and it says, I heart slime, which she does. And I drew it myself, guys. I really did draw it myself. It was really hard, guys. I am not that good of a drawer. And she's in the sand, the ocean, and it has a sun, and it says the name really pretty up there. So, yeah. My brother sitting in my little carton again, eating an orange, I think?
No, sausage.
Oh.
Not from the fridge.
Okay, so I have a trash can right here, too. I need to give that away. Then, I have this cute lamp my mom made for me, and some dog bones that my dogs always chew on, trust me. I have a hat, and there's some stuff hidden behind it. I have this thing. Okay, let me show you how to play this. Okay, so. This thing is really noisy, guys. Trust me, be quiet. Okay, so. This thing I hate doing, but it's so yeah, that's how you play one of those. That's really weird, guys. Then I have some journal, a library book. I have my journal, and then I have my nice crayon box for $10.99, and my favorite thing of all time, American Girl suitcase. So yeah, I'm gonna show you my clean closet, guys. My sister's is not so clean, but I think we cleaned it out. This is my cute light switch. Closet. I have dresses, many types we like to play dress up. I'm planning on making a dress up video today, or probably even not today, probably whenever Layla comes over. So yeah, I'm gonna try to call her today too. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Please give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to turn off those notifications so you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you, bye.